Dear friends, I want to let you take a look at the current market today. All stocks are in down state today. Looks like a kind of market crash happened. If you see here, SPY is 2.44% down. It has almost reached to the price where it was 3 months ago. See here, 434, 428, 430. On July 1st, it was at 430. Now it has reached almost to that price. See, almost all of the stocks on my watch list are down today. Everything were down more than 5%. Even the Camber Energy seems to be down today. Kind of it went down, it fell down all of a sudden after market opened, and then it picked up and it came to green, and again it started gradually coming down, and now it is more than 11% in down state. See here how other stocks are doing today. None of the stocks are in good shape. Butterfly, and see this one, its all-time low was 9.20. Now it has fell down 10%. That's ridiculous. See here, the most see Apple 2.77. It Apple 2.77 is lot for it for this. I saw Apple today starting at 2.51 trillion market cap, and now it fell down to 2.43 trillion market cap. It means a lot for Apple and even for the stock market when stocks like Apple and Facebook fall because their market cap was in trillions. See here, even Facebook was in 1.03 trillion market cap before the market opened, and it fell to 989. Tesla also has fell down, but not much. Tesla for the past 2 weeks was trying to stay above 720 was my observation. And see here, Romeo Power fell down so much. Whatever it has gained for the past 2 weeks, it has taken today. It has lost today. See, it has come back to its previous week gains. Same as Banano. Altimmune, I'll talk about it later. It has fell down after it has withdrawn its application on one of the COVID therapies. It has fell down to 8, and again it picked up to 16. It fell down during the market crash. See here, Apria Therapeutics, they are into cancer treatments, cancer cure. So they were up today 6 point almost, they were up 7, more than 7 during pre-market. They were up almost 8, I believe. But see, they have how gradually they fell down after market opened. Palantir also down. Palantir was in rise for the past 2 weeks. At least a percentage or two, it is going up. But today it has come down gradually to its past 24, 25 support. Nano Dimension. everything. What is up today? Nothing was up today. Some I see only few, like they are into uh, medicinal stocks were up. CTRM way down gradually. Back shot. See here, these two were only up. I have noted today. Those were very low float stocks. See here, the free float is 9%, 9 million. That's why they can quickly go up. They can quickly fall down. COVID-19 antibody data they have released. So that's why the stock went up. Edessa biotechnology companies were up today. So these market crashes will obviously overcome the volume. So now see my watch lists. See the stocks where I lost money. And I have totally come out of these stocks. Even though I go back into these stocks, I will again result in a loss and I have to come out. So I'm totally for now not touching these stocks. I don't know. Stock market is definitely not for me, but I don't know why I still show interest here in this, even after losing 260k amount of money. I couldn't avoid this stock market. I'm hoping just one day with the current holdings, I would recover from all of my losses with American Resources. If you see here, I own 57,000 shares from American Resources. I believe one day I will overcome all of my losses through that. Okay, so overall market, how it looks. If you see here, Dow Jones 2.56%, Dow skids 500 points Monday as fear of market contagion from China. Yeah, so not sure, but I have read today some news from China caused the market fall. Let's see it later. Okay, S&P also the same, almost equal to Dow Jones. Nasdaq, see this is way too worst today. It exactly touched for the past month. Now let's see for the 3 months back price. Yeah, it has reached its last month's share price. Only these stocks were up, I'm guessing. So I have added these top two on my list under low float because they are a single digit. Free float is 6 million. That's why they can go up, they can come down gradually. Zevo was at reached 8 today and it fell down to 5. The stocks that lost more in terms of percentage are these ones. So Helbis, it ran so much up for the past week and it has now come down. So it's a say that whatever that goes up has to come down, whatever that was down has to go up. All we need is little bit of patience in letting that happen. but I haven't seen that with the I2 case or with Nebriva case for the past probably 7 6 months. No, there are stocks. I do believe that statement, but when seeing stocks like when seeing stocks like I too see this is so much to so much manipulated, so much to so much manipulated. When this was up, this was never up. So people who holds these stocks, right? What they go into certain kind of situation that they have to finally end up selling it for loss. But see, there are articles even from Tip Ranks or even from Benzinga or yeah, any be it any article from famous uh, article sites like Benzinga or Seeking Alpha or Tip Ranks, though they release an article about I2 that it has upside or it's been shorted so much or it's been manipulated so much, still it won't result in any change in its share price for the day. So much of hedge fund manipulation is what people believe. See, it was never up, and my I started stock market with a loss, picking up. I'm not good at picking up stocks, so it's not that it is 10%. So there is a say that it is 10%. Uh, Means it depends on 10% of you picking up a stock, and 90% depends on you holding up the stock, being patient. I might not have read the statement correctly, but it matters 10% of you choosing a stock and 90% of you holding the stock, being patient. See the crypto crypto's behavior today. Bitcoin, yesterday night I have seen it was at 47,000. Now it has fell down to 43,000. Of course, it has even fell down. Sorry. Of course, it has even fell down to 42,000 as well. It has reached 42,000 as well. Mark. Oh, AMC. Sorry, 12%, 11% down. AMC was in continuous rise for the past a few weeks from 31s, from 31 to 45. It went along along with the GameStop and other MMA stocks. And see this Clover, it went all time highs last month, and many people sold after holding it for a year. Looks like, feels like. See, it has went to its all time highs in June. So many people sold at these points, and it has fell down again. I think to see here 7. It's a very good buy point. I believe it not a financial advice, but this is just my own opinion. Please do your own due diligence, my friends. Please don't burn your hands. Pick up a stock. Picking up a stock matters 10%, and holding it matters 90%. So see here, Microvision also fell down to 8.42%. Atessa also fell down. Atessa was in continuous rise for a month or two from its all-time lows, probably not. Yes, from all-time lows, it was in continuous rise. and it went even 5, and from there it gradually fell down. They are into nasal sprays, COVID nasal sprays, and they are also into cancer, women's breast cancer something. Yeah. Okay. Cassava, not much. It has fell down today. Good for it. Romeo, it is still falling down. The same stocks you will cover here. 52-week lows. Now Camber is no more in 52-week lows. I may have to update this list. All right. So I want to take you a look at Nasdaq today. The same is the news. China sell off spreads to Wall Street as stock market leaders tumble. Leaders are nothing but Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, and others. See here, stock market off sharply as Apple, Facebook, others leaders deteriorate. Dropped. Other stock market pillars also saw heavy declines as their charts weakened considerably. China stock market rattled. Hong Kong's Hang Seng plummeted 3.3% Monday. Looks like our Nasdaq also fell 3.3%. The largest one day loss since July. Yeah, feels like that even now. Largest one day loss for Nasdaq would be recorded as 3, I think. We have to see when was the largest one day loss, even for Nasdaq, from its record close of 33. Plunged, plunged, everywhere plunged. iShares plunged. In Europe also was off. Germany was off. Paris was down. Tokyo global market was down. With a tempered outlook, investors need to be more guarded. Any new stock purchase should be only for exceptional stocks. Taking some profit is smart right now. Wow. I don't know. I am not in a good shape. Don't know what happens. Yeah, so this isn't the only stock. So Evergrande, something from China, Evergrande resulted in the stock market loss globally, is what I have read yesterday night, which when the Asian market was opened. Let's read this article. So in the meantime, I would like to show you my current holdings as well. See here, I'm in a deep loss of 105k. This is just in Robinhood, and I'm 50k loss in Webull as well. So things are not going good since the day I started investing. Since the day I started my trading career. So the money in this, the money that I had put in the stock market matters so much to me in many ways. I have subscribed for level 2 in Facebook. Oh man, See, Facebook fell 3 4%, highest one day loss for Facebook, I believe so. I think we can take this as a since market crash. Since market crash, Facebook never. I never saw Facebook falling 4% in a day. No, this article hasn't opened at all. Okay, world shares tumble as China Evergrande contagion fears. It seems. What our friends say in the comments. Calls will print. See how people are cashing out the market crash. All these were up. Looks like somebody has shared this. Yeah, they are into this market. They are into the stock market, right? So they earn money by selling puts. But I don't know how to sell puts. So what I know is just losing money and I'm good at it. Okay. This is how the market looks like. So nothing was up. Seems to be everything is down. Creating a heartbeat rise for many of the stock market traders like me. Be safe, my dear fellow traders. Hold it for dear life. Develop some patience. I can say saying is easy than doing it. So that implements to me. So I don't even have that patience in holding a stock so far. That's why all of my loss incurred just for not holding the stock. All right. Have a good day, guys. Make wise decisions. Be prompted when there is a actual stock market crash, and be wise in choosing picking up a stock and buying at a low point. Thank you, everyone. The statements that were given, the stocks that were shown, the holdings that were shown on this video are of just my personal opinion, not for any financial advice for you to pick up the same stock I bought it. Yeah, do your own due diligence. Thank you for understanding. Please subscribe and like if you like the video for me to make more videos. Thank you. Bye.